How to get dark mode on MetaTrader 5? Are you guys facing issues to get dark mode on MetaTrader 5 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once you open the app, now scroll down your device notification bar. Once you scroll it down, now tap on dark mode icon. Once you click on it, your app will be changed to dark mode. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna enable dark mode on MetaTrader 5. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.